Eggs are a nutritious and convenient food that can be eaten as part of a healthy diet, mostly as boiled eggs. Here are some of the benefits of eating eggs daily. High in protein, eggs are a high-quality source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Protein is also important for maintaining muscle mass and strength, and for supporting a healthy immune system. In fact, eggs are one of the few foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. This makes them particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who may be at risk of protein deficiency. Rich in vitamins and minerals, eggs are a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, D, and E, as well as folate, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are important for maintaining overall health and well-being. For example, vitamin D is important for bone health, while zinc plays a role in immune function. Folate is crucial for the production of red blood cells and the proper functioning of the nervous system. Versatile and convenient, eggs are easy to cook and can be prepared in a variety of ways, making them a convenient choice for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They can also be used as an ingredient in many dishes, such as omelets, frittatas, and quiches. Additionally, eggs are relatively inexpensive and widely available, making them a budget-friendly option for people of all income levels. Low in calories, one large egg contains only about 70 calories, making it a low-calorie choice for those trying to manage their weight. This makes eggs a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Heart healthy, some studies have suggested that consuming eggs may help to improve cholesterol levels, which may be beneficial for heart health. Specifically, eggs contain high levels of cholesterol, but they also contain compounds called phospholipids that can help to reduce cholesterol absorption in the body. This may help to lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. It is important to note that it is generally safe to eat eggs daily as part of a balanced diet. However, if you have a specific health condition or are concerned about your egg consumption, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Overall, eggs are a nutritious and convenient food that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy diet.